Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share something close to my heart, something I wish someone had told me years ago. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, even for just a moment, this video is, for you. So get comfortable, maybe grab a warm of tea, and let's talk about why right now might be the perfect time to begin your YouTube journey or YouTube journey. There's this beautiful myth we tell ourselves that there's a perfect moment to start something new. So we whisper to ourselves, I'll start when I have better equipment, when I know what to say, when I'm more confident, something like that. But here's a gentle truth I want to share with you. The perfect moment, it's already here. It's the right moment right now, because perfection isn't what makes a channel special. Authenticity is. Your voice, your perspective, your unique way of seeing things, the world. These are gifts that only you can offer, and the world, it's waiting for exactly what you have to share. When I think about YouTube, I think about seeds. Every great channel, every creator you admire, they all started with a single video, one small seed of courage, something like that. You don't need thousands of subscribers to make a difference. Sometimes the most beautiful conversations happen between you and just one person who needed to hear exactly what you have to say. You first video doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be you, genuine, real, because that's where the magic happens, in those authentic moments when you let your true self shine through. YouTube is like a canvas waiting for your colors. You can share your passions, your hobbies, your thoughts about life, your expertise, or simply your daily moments that bring you joy. Maybe you love cooking or reading or taking peaceful walks in nature. Maybe you have insights about life, or you want to teach something you've learned. Whatever it is, there's space for it here. The beautiful thing is you get to decide. You're the artist of your own channel, painting it exactly as you envision it. One of the most wonderful surprises about YouTube is the connections you'll make. People from all around the world who share your interests, your struggles, your dreams. You receive comments that brighten your day, messages from people saying thank you for sharing this, and slowly, beautifully, you'll build a little community of, kindred or spirits. These aren't just numbers on a screen. They're real people, real connections, real friendship waiting to, bloom. Every video you create, every comment you respond to, every thumbnail you design, these are all tiny teachers. They show you what you love, what challenges you, what makes you feel alive, and something what makes you happy. You'll discover sides of yourself you never know existed. Maybe you'll find you love editing, or you'll naturally good at explaining complex ideas, or you have a gift for making people smile. YouTube becomes this gentle mentor guiding you towards skills and confidence you never thought possible. So here we are at the end of our, little conversation. And I want to leave you with this gentle thought. Your voice matters. Your story matters. Your perspective, it's needed in this world. You don't need permission to start. You don't need perfect equipment. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin. So maybe, just maybe, after you finish watching this, you could record yourself or your first video. It doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. That's it. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see what beautiful things you'll create. Thank you for spending this time with me, and remember, your journey starts with a single step. Sweet dreams and happy creating.